Hello everyone, I'm Lee Kane Jr. with WNY News Now, and now, onto the story. A 33-year-old woman entered a guilty plea yesterday for one count of criminal possession of stolen property. The charges against Shamika A. Dean, 33, of Buffalo, stem from an incident on January 7, 2023, when she was found to be in possession of stolen goods. The items, which included sneakers, fitted hats, and shorts, held an estimated value of approximately $1,000. The merchandise had been reported as stolen from a store situated on the 2800 block of Bailey Avenue. The theft occurred on December 25, 2022, during a period when the store remained closed due to a combination of a blizzard and the Christmas holiday. Dean was sentenced to engage in 100 hours of community service, a mandate that must be fulfilled within the next 6 months. Notably, a specific condition of the sentencing requires a portion of her community service to be carried out within the neighborhood where the store looting transpired. Dean was issued a final no-contact order of protection, which will remain in force for the upcoming year.
If you want to speak truth to the masses, make it funny for the classes.